I knew that I gave it everything that I could from a preparation stand. Like I did not, there was not times where I could have studied that I didn't. So I think it's also like knowing and trusting the effort that you put in.
Take a lot of practice exams and then time yourself, because that's where and then time yourself and see how you do with the time. And if the first time around it doesn't work and you run out of time, try to use that method about just looking at the problem, take a minute or so. And if you're more, if you pass, you couldn't figure it out in the next 2 minutes, then skip it, flag it, and just keep going. Because that was one of the hard things that I had to learn. And that's what I used on the last time I took the FE exam.
You better be on your A game, and that means diet, exercise, good sleep, and then at least for me, I needed the prep course and doing a lot of practice exams. I can't stress enough how important that is.